Muscular strength. Muscular strength is the ability of a muscle or group of muscles to produce force against resistance. It is typically assessed by measuring the maximum amount of weight that a person can lift in a single repetition of a particular exercise, such as a bench press or a squat. There are many benefits to developing and maintaining muscular strength. For example, improving physical performance. Muscular strength can enhance athletic performance, allowing individuals to run faster, jump higher, and throw farther. It can also make daily activities easier, such as carrying groceries or lifting a heavy object. Preventing injuries. Strong muscles help support joints and bones, reducing the risk of injury during physical activity. For example, strong leg muscles can help prevent knee injuries during running or jumping. Supporting overall health. Muscular strength is important for maintaining overall health and preventing chronic diseases, such as osteoporosis, diabetes, and heart disease. There are many ways to improve muscular strength, including weightlifting, bodyweight exercises, and resistance training. It's important to work with a qualified trainer or coach to develop a safe and effective strength training program that is tailored to your goals and fitness level. Remember, building muscular strength takes time and consistency. It's important to progress gradually and avoid overtraining, as this can lead to injury and setbacks. With dedication and hard work, however, anyone can improve their muscular strength and enjoy the many benefits that come with it. Sure, here are some additional points about muscular strength. Muscular strength is not the same as muscular endurance. While muscular strength refers to the amount of force that a muscle or muscle group can generate, muscular endurance refers to the ability of a muscle or muscle group to sustain repeated contractions over a period of time. Muscular strength can be developed through progressive overload, which involves gradually increasing the amount of weight or resistance used during an exercise. This helps challenge the muscles and stimulate growth and adaptation. Resistance training is a popular and effective method for building muscular strength. It typically involves using weights, resistance bands, or bodyweight exercises to target specific muscle groups and improve strength. Muscular strength can vary depending on age, sex, and genetics. Older adults tend to experience a decline in muscular strength as they age, while males generally have greater muscular strength than females due to differences in hormones and muscle fiber composition. In summary, muscular strength is a key component of physical fitness that can be developed through resistance training and progressive overload. It provides numerous benefits for both physical and mental health and is important for individuals of all ages and fitness levels.